In today's hyper-competitive e-commerce landscape, efficient warehouse operations are no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Managing a dynamic inventory across sprawling warehouses, optimizing picking and packing processes, and ensuring timely order fulfillment. These are just a few of the challenges faced by modern logistics professionals. Fortunately, warehouse management software, WMS, emerges as a knight in shining armor, offering a robust solution to streamline these intricate operations. This comprehensive guide delves deep into the world of WMS, equipping you with the knowledge to navigate its functionalities, benefits, and considerations. Buckle up as we embark on this informative journey. Unveiling the core. What is WMS? In essence, WMS is a software system designed to orchestrate and optimize all aspects of your warehouse operations. Imagine it as a central nervous system, coordinating the flow of goods, from the moment they arrive at your doorstep to their final shipment. Think inventory management, order fulfillment, picking and packing, labor optimization, reporting, and much more, all seamlessly integrated under one umbrella. Here's a glimpse into the key functionalities of WMS. Inventory management. Tracking stock levels, locations, expiration dates, and serial numbers ensures real-time accuracy and facilitates informed decision-making regarding stock replenishment and allocation. Order fulfillment. WMS streamlines the order processing workflow, from order capture to picking, packing, and shipping, minimizing errors and maximizing efficiency. Picking and packing. Employing picking strategies like zone picking, batch picking, or wave picking ensures optimal movement of workers and reduces picking errors. Labor optimization. By analyzing data on picking times and routes, WMS helps allocate tasks efficiently and optimize staff scheduling. Reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into warehouse performance through comprehensive reports on inventory levels, order processing times, and picking accuracy, enabling data-driven decision-making. Unveiling the benefits. Why implement WMS? For businesses seeking to elevate their warehouse operations, WMS offers a treasure trove of benefits. Enhanced efficiency, streamlined processes, and optimized workflows lead to faster picking and packing, ultimately resulting in quicker order fulfillment and increased customer satisfaction. Improved accuracy. Real-time inventory tracking and error-proof picking strategies translate to fewer discrepancies and reduced inventory shrinkage. Cost savings, optimized resource allocation, improved space utilization, and reduced labor costs translate to significant cost savings for your business. Enhanced scalability. As your business grows, a scalable WMS system seamlessly adapts to accommodate increased order volumes and warehouse complexity. Data-driven decisions. Powerful reporting and analytics empower you to identify bottlenecks, optimize workflows, and make strategic decisions based on concrete data. Choosing the right ally. Navigating the WMS landscape. With a plethora of WMS options available, selecting the right one can be daunting. Here are some crucial factors to consider. Business needs. Clearly define your unique needs and challenges. Volume, budget, industry, integration requirements, etc. Features and functionality. Ensure the WMS offers the functionalities you require, from basic inventory management to advanced features like labor optimization and analytics. Scalability. Opt for a solution that can adapt and grow alongside your business. Integration. Seamless integration with your existing ERP, accounting, and e-commerce platforms is crucial for smooth data flow. Budget. Determine your budget constraints and weigh them against the value proposition of different WMS solutions. User-friendliness. Consider the ease of use and training requirements for your staff. Vendor reputation. Choose a reputable WMS vendor with a proven track record and strong customer support. Implementing with success. Unveiling the roadmap. Implementing a WMS requires careful planning and execution. Here's a roadmap to guide you. Define clear goals. Outline your key objectives for implementing WMS and set measurable success metrics. Gather requirements. Involve stakeholders across departments to identify specific needs and functionalities. Evaluate and select a WMS. Conduct thorough research, compare options, and conduct demos to find the best fit. Data migration and configuration. Carefully migrate existing data and configure the WMS to match your workflows. Training and user adoption. Invest in comprehensive training for your staff to ensure seamless adoption. Go live and ongoing support. Monitor performance, address issues promptly, and leverage ongoing vendor support. The future unfolds. Emerging trends in WMS. The WMS landscape is constantly evolving. Embracing innovative technologies like the video, subscribe the channel,